Regulations on the use of speeding cameras brought strong opposition last week after police advised the courts it was uncomfortable prosecuting on the grounds that they had just received the 2006 document a day before court. However, according to the Chief of Police, Mark Chenery, police will make a submission to the courts seeking clarification of the regulation. Chief Chenery said the whole purpose of the exercise is to make motorists aware of how dangerous speeding is, and some motorists have taken heed and reduced speed. For some communities, they are pleased with the exercise as it deters many motorists from speeding. Some residents from outer villages said that the thought of driving sometimes scares them, as speeding motorists do not adhere to rules which one day will result in some serious accident, whether it's with pedestrians or another innocent motorist. However, the speed limit and the law was also questioned with 25 miles, but according to calculations done, 25 miles is approximately 40.23 kilometers, and 35 miles is equivalent to 56.35 kilometers, in which speed limits displayed on roadsides are right, and so is the law.